Roller-style mop with self-cleaning OZMO roller. In practice, the roller mop is the star. It spins at 200 RPM, scrubbing and rinsing constantly via 16 clean water nozzles and immediately discarding dirty water via scraper. In real testing, it handled coffee spills and dried on mud without leaving streaks or redepositing grime. That freshwater turnover every pass genuinely cuts down on smear cleaning cross-contamination. ZeroTangle 2.0 brush and 18,000 pascal suction. Running this over pet hair, my home sees fuzz everywhere. I was genuinely impressed. Ecovacs ZeroTangle 2.0 brush effectively avoided hair wrapping, and Vacuum Wars testing confirmed near-perfect tangle resistance. Suction felt aggressive. Independent tests placed its performance in the top tier, outpacing competitors like Roborock Crevo Edge. Navigation and docking. The embedded LiDAR and AIVI 3D 3.0 obstacle detection lets the bot glide through rooms intelligently. In my cluttered living area, it circumvented cables, toys, and structural legs with few hiccups. The mop even extends for edge runs, helpful for baseboards or near furniture corners.